Hi Sam, congratulations on making it into the Team of the Week again.
Thanks.
Well done.
Nice one.
What's been your favourite moment of the season so far?
Tough question, that, Glenn. I'll have to say, scoring 2 goals in a game twice.
Yeah.
It's not very often I've done that in my career. So,
Really? Right.
Yeah.
You've done really well with your goal scoring antics towards the back end of the season, haven't you?
Yeah. Like I said to you last time, just kind of getting the right areas, and at the moment, everything that touch seems to be going in. It just kind of fell to me in the box and just bang it in.
Yeah. You're finishing the season strong.
Yeah.
Who's been your toughest opponent that you faced so far this season? Either a team or like an individual player.
I couldn't pinpoint an opponent, but I'd obviously have to say the Hollywell game.
Yeah.
Just because
Connors Key was tough as well.
Connors Key, yeah. But I think the disappointment of the Hollywell game, we know we didn't turn up on that day, and that big frustration, not only for me but for all the boys. It sort of sticks in our mind, that one. So I'd have to say, probably not an individual, but that game.
Right. Okay. Have you got anything nice planned for the summer?
Obviously got a holiday to go away along with my little boy and my missus, and the Colwyn Bay boys are away, aren't we? So
really? Where are you all going to?
We're off to Portugal. So,
amazing! Right, good stuff. Watch out, Portugal.
Yeah.
Which one of your goals has been your favourite goal
this season?
Yeah.
Header, Portmadoc away.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That was that was nice. You timed it perfect.
Yeah, great ball in from Macker and hit me right on the bonce.
Yeah. And finally, who's your dream teammate?
If I don't say me mate, I'll have to say Plassey. He always makes me a good cup of tea on the away day, so I can't not say him, can I?
Good stuff. All right, thanks Sam, and good luck on Friday.
Cheers. Nice one.